recent loss to Atlanta.
You got to give them an A for effort. Just fell a little bit short in that one.
If they're playing in their own building, they probably win that basketball game. The reality is it's a hard thing to win on the road in the NBA.
Now, here's Doncic. After the miss from Tyrese Maxey. For three, Harris. And the rebound goes to the Mavericks.
And what a struggle it has been yet to convert a single shot from the field. And what blows me away about
Pass to Maxey. Doncic with the steal. On the wing, Hardaway. There's the three.
Crazy, especially with the defender giving a cushion.
great teamwork punctuated by a strong finish.
Going right to the rim, which is where you want transition opportunities to end.
A good look from Doncic. Here's Harris. And slam dunk by Harris.
How about that finish by Harris? He sees his opening and does not hesitate to rise up and be free.
3 seconds separate the shot clock and game clock. Pass to Maxey. For three, Harris. Rebounded by McGee. And here's Bullock from the arc. Drains the three-pointer. Bullock's got 9 points now in the quarter.
Luka Doncic made it known early in his career he is one of the best passers.
3 seconds separate the shot clock and game clock. Pass to Maxey. For three, Harris. Rebounded by McGee. And here's Bullock from the arc. Drains the three-pointer. Bullock's got 9 points now in the quarter.
Luka Doncic made it known early in his career he is one of the best passers.
Doncic outside. The shake. And that's good for 2. Doncic has got 10 points here in the second half.
After an ice-cold start to this game, he is pouring it on here in the second half.
Solid rebound there, and with the score like it is, that's an area where they can't afford to get lazy.
Tries the spin move. Another 3 for Dallas.